All right, so it says for me to give two other names for line CD. So the first thing that I want to do is find line CD. So I see C and D, so they must be talking about this line here. I know any 2 points on the line can name it, so if I can call it CD, I can also call it DC. So I can call that line DC. The other thing, the other little name that they have for it here is they also call it M. So I could say and M. They also refer to it as line M. Okay, so moving right along. Now the next question. They ask us to give another name for plane M. So plane M, let me find it here. So that's this plane here, the plane that most of the action is in. So I know that any 3 points that are not collinear can name M. So I said, well, A, C, and B, and E, these are all the points that are on this plane. But I know that A, C, and B, these ones are collinear. So that means that I can't use those. I have to use ones that are not collinear. So I could say A, B, and E. A, B, and E. I could name that plane A, B, E. Next, so now we need to name 3 points that are collinear. Well, we just kind of did that in the last one. Collinear means on the same line. So then I need to name a 4th point that is not collinear. So let's start with the 3. We just did that. 1, 2, 3. These 3 are collinear. So I could say A, C, and B are collinear. And then name a 4th point that is not collinear. So I could say, well, E is not collinear. I could also say D up here. This is not collinear with A, C, and B. D is collinear with C, but not A or B. So I think just for safe measure, I'm going to say E is not collinear. And lastly, name a point that is not coplanar. Remember, coplanar means on the same plane with A, C, and E. So let's see here. We're looking at A, C, and E. So I want a point that is not on this plane. So we got this line coming out of here. The only thing that I see is going to be this one up here. So I would say point